Here in the German capital city of Berlin, at the annual European Congress of Rheumatology, a study was presented that looked at attitudes among medical students in UK regarding rheumatology.
This survey has actually taken place in 2009, and it showed that medical students are not interested in being exposed to rheumatology at the foundation year training. The foundation year training is a 2-year training that bridges medical school with a specialist training. So when we asked the students, would you be interested in having rheumatology, most of them said no, and some of them said we don't mind, and only a very small percentage said yes, we would like to be exposed and we would like rheumatology as a career, and nice things around rheumatology that we would like to hear.
Right. Okay, so what could be done to increase the interest in rheumatology among medical students?
I think we have to be more focused on the good aspects of rheumatology. What rheumatology can offer to a doctor, and what are the career potentials, because we can not only treat people, but we can be involved with research, we can be involved with other aspects. Rheumatology is a fascinating area. It has a lot of potentials that you can transmit.
It may take some additional effort beyond just an initial exposure.
Yes, I think more awareness about the specialty needs to be given to everybody, all the juniors.
Right.
We are too modest. We need to promote ourselves more,
Okay.
indeed.
This has been Damien McNamara reporting from Berlin.